Campeche right now. That is Tropical Depression 3. We'll show you the latest track on that in the spaghetti plots, show you where it could be headed. But it looks like that very well could be our next named storm here sometime this week, maybe towards the end of the week. But we've had some storms throughout the afternoon. Those are now moving offshore. One little shower that Jane was talking about, she had to put her Fox 4 jacket on because she started getting pelted with raindrops. That's the reason why. This little shower that's sneaking over into North Fort Myers right now across the Caloosahatchee River, and some other showers affecting Captiva. But most of the heavier rain that have formed near the coast along the sea breeze this afternoon has weakened and pushed offshore. Right now we're at 77 in Clewiston, 78 here in the Cape, 80 for Page Field at Fort Myers, 79 right now Bonita Springs, 80 for Naples, and 83 in Marco Island. Tomorrow morning we're going to start off dry, partly cloudy skies, humid, much like the past couple mornings, and then storms again are going to fire during the late afternoon and evening hours right along the Gulf sea breeze as it begins pushing inland. And we saw some pretty big storms, particularly in portions of Sarasota County this afternoon, where there was a brief report of a tornado in the Venice area as a result of some of these storms. It was a weak one, but nonetheless it did at least cause a little bit of mayhem up there. But you can see the storms now starting to push offshore, and that'll be the case here overnight tonight. Just some of the debris clouds from the tops of the storms blowing over our area here for tonight. Now, this is Tropical Depression 3. You can see that the circulation, it continues to spin just off the west coast of the Yucatan. Now, this actually was the old circulation from Tropical Storm Amanda, which was in the Pacific, but it actually moved across Guatemala and is now making its way into the southern Bay of Campeche. Right now, the latest forecast track, and we'll get the updated one at 11 o'clock, but you can see it's going to kind of do this loop-de-loop. The steering currents in the upper atmosphere that would otherwise push it along are very weak, and as a result of that, the storm's not going to move that much, but it will have some time over the southern Gulf. Very warm waters here to intensify, and we could be looking at a pretty stout tropical storm here by Saturday, making its way northward into the Gulf towards the northern Gulf Coast. Now, right now, it looks like the latest forecast tracks take this thing northward towards the northern Gulf Coast, Texas, Louisiana, perhaps Mississippi. We're going to keep you updated on that because it very well could change, but right now it does not look like a direct threat to Florida. If anything changes, we'll let you know. But we do have some storms in the forecast tomorrow. Dry in the morning. Easterly breeze firing off the Gulf sea breeze during the afternoon with thunderstorms there late afternoon and evening. Dry Wednesday morning. Storms expected once again here for Wednesday afternoon. So low to mid 70s overnight. Highs tomorrow, topping out upper 80s to around 90 before storms arrive. Forecast tonight. Storms again coming to an end. They've already done that. So dry for the rest of tonight, 74. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, scattered afternoon and evening storms, 88 degrees your high temperature. Your Ingman Marine forecast seas 2 feet. Inland waters a moderate chop with an east wind 10 to 15. Scattered late day, afternoon, and evening showers and storms. 7-day forecast got more of the same here through the middle part of the week. Could see a little bit more coverage of showers and storms here Wednesday and the Thursday, and back to afternoon and evening storms to close out the work week and head into the new weekend. We'll be right back.